Hey people, it's 8:20 in the morning and I'm all dressed and ready because it's like that's what y'all will get to know in a few hours. Basically, in the past 1 month, uh, people from my family, like someone has returned from Finland, another whole family is returned from Singapore. Then my sister and my dad, my sister was in Hawaii and my dad joined them in Florida. So right now, my dad's in the States. So somewhere it's like my child, no, so I'm not going anywhere international, no, yeah. But it is like, my child feels that, everybody's going, we should also go. So, you know, it's just, let's see. I want to, till I'm actually like on my way to the destination, I'm not going to speak of it because somehow, yeah, it's just, so now I have to be all even more rushed and ready. So I'll catch you folks soon enough. Once it crosses 1 minute, I feel very happy. So I'll hopefully do another recording sometime during the day. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.